Hello and welcome to the first ever edition of Know Thy Enemy. My name is Howard Magnus. I'm the owner of Servo's Computer Doctors. I've been in the IT industry for the last 10 years. I am Security Plus certified. I've done everything from help desk to network administration and everything in between. My goal here today is to try to help you, the user, demystify the computer. A lot of people are afraid of the computer. They're afraid to mess with it. They're afraid it intimidates them. And my goal is to help you, the user, get over your fears and be more comfortable with the computer. I will eventually be posting video blogs about Windows 8, Windows 7, Ubuntu, Linux, and the Mac. Thank you for watching. So, welcome to Windows 8. This is not like the Windows 7 earlier interfaces that you're used to. This is called the Metro interface. As you can see, you have tiles, which represent all your programs. Some of them are widgets, some of them are not. Some of them will take you places like Netflix, iHeartRadio, Epicurious, Google, etc. Any that's a live tile will open a web browser or will open a program. This is not like what you're used to. And we understand that. There's a couple different ways of getting back to your old interface. I do have an icon here for the desktop, which I created for the Windows, but for those who are not comfortable, I have an easier way. You'll notice in your keyboard, this is what's called the Windows key or the Command key. If you hit that button, that takes you back to the old interface. Let me close my web browser here and close this one. I'm sorry, I've got a lot of web browsers, Windows open. But as you can see, this is more like what you're used to. Welcome back to Windows. The Windows you like, the Windows you know. This is what you deal with, and as you can see, you have your icons, etc., etc., and that'll bring you back. The Command key is still popular. You can do a lot more from the Command key than just drop to that. Command X, the most popular keyboard command. It'll bring up your desktop, the run, search, file explorer, control panel, task manager, command prompt, computer management, etc. This is where you'll live if you're a true power user. This is what will get you everything. You can choose the apps you want to run. Notice it takes you back out to the Metro, out of the Metro interface and into Aereo. Again, we'll bring back up the Command X key. You have your command prompt. You have your search to search for a specific program that you're looking for, etc., etc. To navigate through the wonderful Metro interface, you have a scroll bar on the bottom, and you just scroll over. A lot of people will get confused, wonder where their icons are, but you'll get the hang of things eventually. If you move your mouse all the way to the right, you get the menu, which is hard to bring up here, but this has everything from search, share, start, devices, settings. This is also where you can shut down, gives you your time, etc. This is not easy to bring up without knowing where it is. As you can see, Windows 8 is pretty much optimized for touchscreen, not a point-and-click system. But this will bring up your settings, including power the PC off, which is a big one. Thank you, and this ends this portion of the screencast.